3 wholesale rhinestone vendors in the US and 3 wholesale rhinestone vendors overseas. Let's do this. So I'm going to be looking down at my notes so I don't forget anything, and this is going to be kind of fast. So any questions, please drop them below in the comments. So number 1 is going to be Axiland Rhinestone Depot. They're located in downtown Los Angeles, and if you're looking for hot fix rhinestones, this is the place to get them from. They have the absolute best quality of hot fix rhinestones I have ever purchased. And I've purchased from many different vendors over the years, and their quality is up top. So I highly suggest them for a hot fix. They also have very fast shipping, and they have vinyl and other supplies as well. Number 2 is going to be Planet Rhinestone, which is also in downtown Los Angeles. He has a huge selection of resin, jelly, glass, and hot fix rhinestones. He also has a wholesale program that you can sign up for so you can get a discount off of bulk orders. So make sure you check him out as well. Number 3 is going to be Blingy Thingy, which is on Etsy. She's on Etsy, but she has a huge selection of all different types of rhinestones, single packets, bulk packets, as well as really quick shipping. As far as overseas, so the first overseas vendor is going to be Juno Trading Company. They have the best quality of rhinestones, whether you're looking for resin, glass, or hot fix. I highly suggest this vendor, and their shipping is about 5 to 7 days. The next one is going to be Olea Rhinestones, and they have a good quality of resin, jelly, and glass stones, and their shipping time frame is about 5 to 7 business days. And the last one is Idea Official Store. They have a good quality of resin, jelly, and glass. Their shipping is about 10 to 15 business days, but make sure to check your order with them because you may be missing a bag or two. But if you reach out to them and let them know, they will refund you or add that bag in with your next order. And if you want me to go into details about how to get discounts from the overseas vendors as well as fast shipping, let me know in the comments and I'll do another video.